In the last analysis, we talked about a potential in silver for it to achieve $22 levels. See, it has precisely achieved $22 levels. That is the highs of this channel. You can see these are the last three candles, including this monthly candle last month and then the month previous to this. It has precisely achieved the highs at $22 and now trying to trade with a little retracement. Now, what to expect next week? Can we expect a bullish breakout in silver? Can it sustain above 2200 levels? And what are the next target? Whether to buy, whether to sell, which position we should take? Everything we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. Those who are new to the channel must not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment, as also not subscribing will give you or will refrain you from opportunity of not getting the updates on the daily basis, as I do share my daily analysis on silver very early in the day with the Asia session along with the gold analysis. So do watch that. Also do press the bell icon, do like, share, subscribe and comment. Let's start. Now, since we are on the monthly charts, let me share you something. See, 2100 is the pivot here and 2200 is the highs, and it has seen the 1900 as the bottom. Now, see, it is trading in between this zone, that is 1900 to 2200. The pivot now at 2050 levels, and probability of it to achieve these levels only till the time it trades below 2050, then you can consider this as bearish. Also remember this fact, 2200 is a very strong resistance for silver. Any breakout above 2200, you can stay long. And then we talked about this last time also. I will be looking forward to 2400, 2500, 2600 levels in silver in the coming weeks and months. Now, why did I say so? Now look at the monthly charts here again. See, this is the channel and it is trying to create. Also look at this, it has breached the near term bearish channel which it has created, but at the same time one must remember this fact that it is yet trading near to the lows of this channel which is getting created on the monthly chart. So highs of this channel are now at 2400, which is pretty much available, which is pretty much achievable if it trades about $22 levels, and hence you have to wait for it to sustain about 22 for it to continue with the bullish momentum. Beyond 2200, certainly 2350, 2400 levels to be seen in silver. This is on the monthly charts. Let's have a look at the weekly. On the weekly charts, we did see that it has breached the resistance at $20 levels last to last week. And yes, this is the zone in which it was trading, that is $18 to $20. Now also remember this fact, it has also breached the highs of this channel, which was a bearish channel where we had seen couple of opportunities getting lower highs, and this time it has breached this. Now see, it had to achieve these levels. It has achieved these levels, trading about $22 or 2200 levels. Certainly the next target is going to be 2400, which is very strong resistance. So see, silver is trading in between these levels, 18 to 20, 20 to 22, and now then if it continues to trade about 22, you can certainly expect that the next target is $24 levels in the near months. So let's wait for it to breach and sustain above those levels. At the same time, second observation is, see, it has formed the bottom here, double bottom, and now looking forward to a rise. Look at the weekly charts. The candle is not precisely the same. It did not carry the same bullishness which the previous candle had, and in the few occasions we had seen it retracing from those levels. So yes, I have to wait, and one has to wait for it to sustain 2200, 2220 zone. Beyond that, certainly we can see it flying, else there could be a potential reversal where it can try to achieve sub 2100 levels again. So this is another way to look at it. Now let's have a look at the day. Now look at the daily charts here. See, one bullish breakout candle, and now it is trying to trade within this zone. 2120, very good support. 2100, very good support. Only below 2100 you can expect the next drop, which might take it till towards 2050, $20, and then $19 levels also. At the same time, since it is after this breakout, this is consolidation potentially. Once it trades about $22, certainly you can look forward to another round of rise. 2220, 2250, 2300 levels to be seen, and then $24 levels should be achieved soon. So yes, do observe that. Yes, also remember this fact, this is a good resistance at $22 levels, beyond which certainly we can expect silver flying till towards 2400 or $24 levels. Now this is on the weekly charts. Let's have a look with the help of indicators. What does the indicators are suggesting? And on the daily charts, you will find that it is trading at the top of the Bollinger Bands. Here it tried to trade outside the Bollinger Bands, but getting the pull again on the downside, and hence you have to be very cautious on silver till the time it trades about $21. Below that only you can consider that as bearish. About $22 levels you can consider that it is going to give you a very strong breakout on the downside. Look at the directional movement, extremely divergent and bullish. Stochastic is overbought. The MACD is extremely divergent and bullish here. Probably it has seen the high. The conversion from here can be seen, and then we can see little bearishness there. RSI trading near to overbought levels. Now look at the 4-hour charts on the weekly charts. On the weekly charts, you will find that the 50 period moving average and 20 period moving average are situated at around 2209 to $20 levels. Now this zone is very important. Once it trades about 22, certainly bullishness to be seen. So same indication, the directional movement has already crossed over and it is still showing the bullishness. The stochastic looking upwards, trying to enter into overbought levels. The MACD is divergent and bullish and it is looking up. So yes, it indicates it is still some potential for it to continue the upward trend on this side, and then possibly a conversion from here can also be seen later once it tries to cross over on the overbought side. The RSI is looking upwards, indicating bullishness there. And if you look at the monthly, similar is the observation on the monthly charts. Also remember this fact. See, this is the first, or you can say, stronger bullish candle, and now silver has achieved for last 6 months what it is, you can say, shed there. Now it has compiled, or it has come back to those levels which were there 6 months back. Now look at the direction movement. This is bearish, trying to cross over for a bullish move. Stochastic was oversold, now looking upwards. The MACD is bearish, trying to converge here. Probably a crossover with a stronger bullish candle can definitely bring it to greenery again. The RSI is looking upwards, indicating the strength there. Considering this, now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for us to define the strategy and levels for next week. And before I give you the levels and strategy, remember this fact. Yes, the last batch of our mentorship sessions, which are the live sessions for you all to learn how to trade, where to enter, where to exit, how to identify the key levels, key support levels and resistances, how to arrive at a perfect trade by which you can profit. Everything we're gonna teach in this mentorship batch. So reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Else you can be part of my signals group, where just trading as per the signals, definitely you will profit. So the contact details remain same for signal group and the mentorship batch. You can reach me via email or Telegram. Now let's have a look at the levels. Yes, 2180 levels. If you see silver trading about 2180, stay long for 2190, 2200. Remember, sustaining about $22 levels, it will call for stronger bullish momentum beyond. See, this is a very strong resistance zone. Beyond that, till 2220, the possibility of a down move exists, and but beyond 2220, stay long. And then the next target is 2250, 2300 levels. Only about 2300. The next target is directly towards 2400. Stay long for next few weeks, and definitely we may see silver hitting $24 levels or 2400 levels in near future. At the same time, where you should sell, yes, you can sell there at 2150. Below 2150, certainly you can expect 2140, 2120, and then 2100. Till here, till 2100, it has got very strong support and it can bounce back any point of time. But below 2100, you can expect that it is looking forward to 2050, $20, and then below that, it's strong bearishness to be seen till towards $19 and below levels. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Please, if you see a direction and if you see it achieving the levels, take your trades accordingly. You should enjoy both the sides, whether it is short or whether it is long side. If you see it bearish and if you see it trading at our levels, which is we have mentioned, definitely take a trade, close your first trade at the first target, and or either shift the stop loss or put a trailing stop loss to your entry price, or just shift the stop loss to your entry price. Trading like this, definitely you can preserve your capital, and if you have your capital preserved, certainly you can take 1000 trades with little or multifold profits. Hence, either put a stop loss, either put a trailing stop loss, shift the stop loss to cost, and keep closing the targets or the trades at every milestone, and keep re-entering if you see it trading in the same direction. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.